we've got a fish on finally. Oh, and it's a beautiful trout. It's a beautiful trout. Look at the colors on this guy. Beautiful. We've got the dead meat stick by Clam, leech flutter spoon, beautiful 11-inch brookie. We're gonna get them unhooked. What a beauty. What a beauty. It's been a little while. I just made a move. And we're gonna get back down, but this is a nice brookie. Oh, oh, oh. Let's see, let me put them on. Well, he's 13. Oh, I'm gonna let him down. I dropped him. I don't want to drop him anymore. Here we go. Right on. It's been about 2.5 hours. And I just switched, came in a little shallower, just in 13 feet of water. I was in 14.5. And about 10 minutes later, got that nice brookie. We're gonna get back down there. I love this rod. This is the dead meat 32-inch medium. The leech flutter spoon right there. This is a great bait, great lure. We are at Norcross in, I think it's Mount Vernon or Chesterville. No, I think it's Mount Vernon. So we're in about, oh, I don't know. We got about 2.5 inches of ice here. Pretty solid. And yeah, beautiful fish. Let's see if we can get another one. We are hooked up again. This one came screaming off the bottom. Another. Geez, I think this is a brown. Yeah. See if I can get him up here. Beautiful. Hooked up. And it's a perch. I was bound to catch one. There we go. We got a tiger. He came flying up for it. Let's see if I can get them up. They always cinch their lips up. They get very angry. There we go. We'll get them back down. Good move. Got 3 fish up just from this one hole in the last hour, where I went 2 hours on the last place and nothing. And I only moved about 25 feet or 20 feet. And I went from 14 feet of water to 13. So, always nice to get that brown and that brookie. That was my first brown through the ice. It was a small one, like 11 inches, but It's nice to get a species I haven't gotten before. So on the clam leech flutter spoon, super active lure, flashy, really draws fish in, so it's a good bait all around. Definitely a confidence bait. And the pinhead. I used a little bit today, but I've just been sticking with the leech flutter spoon since it's been working. So I think they like that hair, that tuft of hair on the bottom of it. So here we go. We are hooked up and we've got a brookie. Little 10-inch one. See if I can get him. Come on. Right there. "12 inches. Get them unhooked. There. Gonna get him back down. Right there. Beautiful. Let's get down. We are hooked up. Probably going to be a perch. Yep. Right there. That's what I thought. I'm going to get back down. We only got like 5 more minutes. See if we can get another trout, but it's been a great day. We're here at Norcross up in Mount Vernon, and got like 4 trout and 1 brown trout and a couple perch. It's been a good day. So great first time here. I've never been here. On about 2.5 inches, 3 inches of ice, and a few more minutes here and we're gonna pack it up. So yeah, let's see. Maybe I'll keep it rolling and see if I can get another one. Got an absolute tank. I gotta give it to this guy. He came screaming off bottom, like 4 feet up off bottom, and smacked it. I've been trying to leave, but I keep marking fish, so I'm staying later, but God, I gotta go. Well, I think that's a wrap. First time out here at Norcross in Mount Vernon. Second time out this year. Beginning of December here. Great day. 4 or 5 trout and 1 brown trout and a handful of perch. So yeah, I couldn't be happier. But So excited about the hard water. I'm glad it's here. There's always a big long wait, and then it comes and it's go time. Get 3 or 4 months, and then you gotta wait. So I got an early start this year. This is the earliest I've ever started, so yeah, really excited about this. Can't say enough, so stay tuned.